Good morning, people of the universe. So, for today's tutorial, we will learn how to create an automated employee data entry form in Microsoft Excel, like what you see on the screen. And without further ado, let's go ahead and start. So, first, let me tell you what you need, our objective and lessons. So, of course, you need Microsoft Excel. And the objective of this tutorial is for us to learn how to code VBA and create an automated entry form that allows us to add, update an employee record. And I have broken down the lessons in a few steps. So first we will create the form. We will learn how to add text fields, buttons, and format the cells. And we will go or I will walk you through on writing the VBA code. So we will declare global variables, write the code for adding new data, for retrieving the employee record, and updating that info, and then write a code for deleting or setting the employee status to inactive, and of course delete the entry from the form. All right, so first let's recreate this employee data entry form. So on your workbook, enter a new sheet, and then uh, in row 2, enter the title of the form, which is employee data entry form. And from column A to F, merge and center the title. Change the font style, make it bold, and increase the size. And resize column C and column D. And from column G, highlight, then press Ctrl Shift, then right arrow on your keyboard, then hide the columns. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 text fields starting from row 5. Let's go ahead and enter them one by one. Let's start with employee ID. And row 7 is first name, then last name, age, gender, and position. And from range B4 to E12, let's fill in the background something gray and change the cell color of the text field titles, and then color this the cell adjacent to the text field titles white. Change the font style, and let us remove the grid lines by going to View tab and uncheck the grid lines option. And let's put in a border. Go back to home. Let's choose first the line style. It's the double line. Then choose outside borders. Then on the text field, choose like the dotted line. And choose all borders. Change the title font color to dark blue. Let's make it 22 font size. Now for the buttons, let's insert shape by going to insert tab, then illustration shapes. Choose the rectangular shape with round corners, and Control C and paste three times. And then press Control key on your keyboard, then select the shapes one by one. Go to Shape Format, look for the Align option or icon, then choose Align Bottom. Then let's center them a little bit. Then let's enter a title. So this is Add, Update, Delete, and Clear Form. And select them all again. Go to Home, center the titles, change the font, and also remove the outline of the shapes by going to Shape, Format, Shape Outline, choose No Outline. Then let's change the color for each of the shapes or buttons. This is something orange, this is something gray. And then rename the sheet EMP form or employee form. And for the database, just insert new sheet and rename it database. So I have mine already. And the column headers should be employee ID, first name, last name, age, gender, position, and the status. And for the VBA script, please watch part 2 of this tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye bye bye.